Good morning. Welcome back to another week here in Costa Rica.
Yes.
And we are still in the La Fortuna area.
Yes.
Today we are, well, I guess this is still rainforesty, but we are climbing.
We are full-blown hiking mode.
We're going up, and in a second I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what we're hiking. Ooh.
You guys, it smells a little funky here. We are the first car to come in for the day. We are here bright and early. Just be ready to drive into the wilderness, essentially. It's
Yeah,
pretty
so
cool.
what is this? What is this place?
So we are at the Volcan Arenal Ecological Park. So this is the most famous volcano here in La Fortuna. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can explore, but already up ahead I see some camping. So looks like folks sleep here overnight.
Yeah, because I don't know that we can do this all in one day. We are not part of that ATV crew, but that's where we're going. Attempting to. Oh man. Let's see what we can get into today. This is rough. We've come all the way from there, coming around. We're tired. How you holding up?
I'm holding up.
This is a rough hike, and the terrain, as you can imagine, it's not paved. I am kind of wishing we were on an ATV headed up here now.
You need both.
But they do have these little campgrounds, so you can actually stay here overnight, it seems like, or I guess multiple nights if you really want to. So this is the map. We're somewhere around here, I guess. But we are following this blue. So the blue trail goes there. Not sure if we're gonna do the whole thing. Not sure if I can make it to the whole thing. But we're gonna try. We'll see how far we can get. Time for an update. This isn't going to sound like much, but we have climbed 124 feet. And for me, that is a lot. But we're pressing on. Ooh. How are you?
Very good. The trail is very well marked, which is quite comforting. So we're following the blue trail, and if you notice, there's little ribbons all throughout, so there's no reason to get lost.
And from our survival guide, we now know that if you're lost and you're hungry, you can find a termite mound and you can pack some nutrients.
That's right. Enjoy a little snack. They're quite delicious.
Yeah. These are the markers that we're talking about. You see them on various branches. There are some signposts too, but not much opportunity to get lost. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. Let's go back to time warp. Go back to time warp. The end of the trail. I made it. You guys, I made it. I'm at the top. MJ is still down there. She's working on it though. But that's the volcano. How cool. Oh man, do I feel accomplished? It was a difficult hike though. Oh, stats, let's see. Okay. It was 658 feet of elevation, 1.25 miles. Man, I burned 251 active calories. We all know once you get to the top, now you gotta get all the way back down. Here's my recommendation. Put a zip line or some kind of slow moving cart to get us back to the bottom. I would even pay a premium for that. All right, let's go back down. You didn't go all the way to the top.
I mean, I went to the side.
You went pretty high up. So what was your thoughts?
Very cool. Make sure you have really good shoes that aren't slick,
Yeah.
even without the rain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed. My shoes aren't gonna make it back. These shoes are staying in a hotel in Costa Rica. You made it.
I made it.
Your thoughts?
That was very cool. Worth the hike. Worth the raininess or whatever. I feel like I'm gonna fall right here. So I'm a total spaz. Like, I don't mind going up. It's then coming down that I hesitate because I'm not sure of my own footing. But yes, that was very, very cool. It would have been really neat if the cloud wasn't hovering over the mountain, over the volcano, but it was still a very majestic view. I enjoyed that.
Me too.
So now we make the trek back down. Should be easier, right?
Yeah.
Down is always.
You'll notice we did lose one.
He made a
Pat-
valiant effort.
Patrick made a good attempt. We miss you, bud. But he went down to scope out and make sure the car was okay.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna go with.
Yeah, so make sure one of us was dry because it is starting to drizzle some.
Yeah. There are also parts where you have to go down to go back up, and it's... That part's annoying.
It seems counterintuitive, right? Like, if we're going up, why do I have to come back down?
I survived. I made it back down. So all in all, up, down, 2.36 miles, an hour and 41 minutes. But you know what? I was told that this was going to take 2.5 hours. Another justification that I am an athlete. Was it worth it? Yeah. The views. Let's get back to the car, say hello to Patrick, make sure he's caught his breath. We made it. We're back to the car.
Woohoo! I feel very accomplished. That was quite a workout, and it's something that we normally wouldn't do, so that was very cool. Very cool experience.
You know, we say we normally don't do this,
seriously,
but
we do
we
it like
end up
every
doing
country.
it a lot.
Yeah, gosh. We're very outdoorsy.
What say you?
I say that was very cool, and you don't do that a lot because you don't do it at home. So, fair statement.
Well, there you go. If you come to La Fortuna, come do one of these hikes around the volcanoes. It's a good view.
Oh, and
It's
hopefully
fun.
you'll have great weather like we did. This was awesome.
Yeah,
right?
it started raining at the very top, so the lava rocks got a little
It
slippery.
actually looked really cool. I got some cool shots of you up
But
there.
it was great. So if you're liking our trip here in Costa Rica and all these outdoor adventures or the not outdoor adventures that we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
Come follow us. We've got plenty more adventures here in Costa Rica. We'll see you next week at the next one. Bye.
Have a good one.